So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Air Stewardess World. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So the topic which I have chosen today is not only helpful for cabin crew aspirants but also helpful for those who travel through the air. Okay, so in this video I am going to talk about how to book wheelchair on the airport. How many types of wheelchairs are available on the airport, and according to your body restrictions, which wheelchair you should prefer. So first of all, let me tell you about the types of wheelchairs. First is cabin wheelchair, second is step wheelchair, third is ramp wheelchair. Okay, so C stands for cabin wheelchair, S stands for step wheelchair, and R stands for ramp wheelchair, which will be written on the wheelchairs. Okay, C, S and R, basically short forms, will be written on the wheelchair. So let's start with cabin wheelchair. Cabin wheelchair is for those passengers who can't get up from their place, who can't walk, who can't go to the toilet. So basically this wheelchair is going to carry you from the airport till the doors of the aircraft, and once you reach the doors of the aircraft, cabin crew will bring cabin wheelchair from the aircraft and carry you till your seat. Okay, and medical certificate is necessary for all types of wheelchair passengers, and wheelchair passengers can't travel alone. Always minimum one family member is needed with them. Second, step wheelchair is for those who can walk but can't climb the steps of the aircraft. So once you reach the steps of the aircraft, you will be carried through high loader till your seat and the same step to get down. Third is wheelchair ramp. Okay, wheelchair ramp is for those who can't walk much. So this wheelchair is going to carry you from airport till the aircraft. Okay, this wheelchair is preferred by old people who can't walk much. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स के किड्स दूसरे स्टेट्स में या दूसरे कंट्रीज में रहते हैं, एंड वो पेरेंट्स उन किड्स को मिलने जाते हैं. सो किड्स टेल देम to prefer wheelchair ramp because they will have to walk too much on the airport if they don't prefer wheelchair through the check-in counter, and they will have to go through security check, which takes lot of energy as well as time. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have talked about almost everything. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubt, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram ID and the link to the profile of Instagram is in the description box. And if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to share and subscribe. Those who have subscribed to this channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. That's all. Bye bye. Take care of you and your family. Love you all.